Morning, everyone. Welcome to the briefing for Sunday, the 12th of November. So I've just put the overnight chart on here, and it's showing a weakening warm front here. And as we go ahead to midday, it's disappeared. I think we're getting a little bit of influence of that this morning with a pretty moist, very damp, cold air mass. And midday, it's showing the seclusion sort of over the top of us here. Going further ahead to tomorrow, well, low pressure system over the top of us. Looks like quite strong winds from the west by the looks of it. If these fronts are clear of us and those winds aren't too strong, then it could be flyable. Looking further ahead, Tuesday, pretty unsettled picture still. Again, depending on the exact positioning of these fronts and these trough lines, could be flyable, but looks like another difficult week. Wind isn't showing, generally from the southeast, I think. South Peak is showing, well, quite a lot of cloud really, and you see more moving in from the southwest at the moment. It does appear there are sort of some areas of fog. Rain radar is showing a very big band here, slightly smaller band following it from behind, and we're just sort of on the edge of it here. Okay, the rainfall forecast, this is 9 a.m. As we go ahead through the morning, it's showing it staying pretty wet until about midday, where it starts to dry out. As we go into the afternoon, fairly clear in terms of rain, and then another band of showers probably getting here about 3-4 p.m. by the looks of it. So public forecast is showing, well, drizzle and rain this morning, and then fog around midday, and then it's showing a sort of clear interval in the afternoon. But the main thing here is it's showing humidity to be up at 97-98%, and visibility to be medium. So that's suggesting the cloud is quite low, and possibly too low for us to use. This morning it's showing very poor visibility. Actually, looking outside, it doesn't look too bad at Lasham at the moment, but I think there are areas of fog around. Top temperature to get today, 7, 8, maybe 9 degrees if we're lucky. With dew points at unsurprisingly very close to that at about 7 or 8 degrees. That's the current view outside. The Lasham camera is not working, so you can see some not actually too low cloud, but not the best visibility and some fog around by the looks of it. Currently 5.5 degrees with dew point set at 3 degrees. Farmer's observation is just missed at the moment. Forecast is out of date. Odium's forecast, they've put for today broken clouds at 2,500. They then put a temporary here for all day. Broken clouds at 1,500 feet, light rain. They put a prop 40 here again for all day. Broken clouds at 900 feet, which is a little bit lower here. And a prop 30 all day for scattered clouds at 600 feet and rain and drizzle. So a little bit of everything really, but generally not the best outlook. Okay, top meteo, this is 9 a.m. It almost shows this part of the day to be the best. The Lasham area is relatively clear with some drizzle in the vicinity. Going ahead to 10, 11 a.m., it's showing some lower cloud. As you go ahead into the afternoon, it's showing some fog, lower cloud, and more drizzle really. This is about 4 p.m. Okay, there's no NOTAMs near us today. Article dropping just to the north. Otherwise, nothing over Lasham. Okay, operationally, if we go flying, we will probably set up on 09. I'll go see how wet the grass is. I expect it's relatively wet, so we'll have the launch point a bit further in. There somewhere. Cables running down the edge of the grass. If we can offset the winch over here somewhere where if we can, we will. Chances are it's probably too wet to do that. And then it'll be circuits, left-hand circuits onto the main runway, right-hand circuits onto the north side grass. Similar to the wet setup that we do on 27, but just the other way around. Okay, in terms of operationally, if there is a flyable interval in the day, we'll go flying. Although it looks okay outside at the moment, I expect there'll be some fog and lower cloud moving in. But we'll get what we can out of the day. Otherwise, probably a good day for simulator training or doing a bronze paper. No movements, and if we do go flying, we'll be landing by 10 to 5 at the very latest. Okay, see you on the airfield. Bye for now.